Okay, part one showed the water was just starting to come down. The rain was coming down pretty hard then. Right now, this is about 6 hours later, and this is where I'm at. Just went out and bought a sub pump, and I'll show you that because these aren't doing it. And as a matter of fact, as much as you do, the more it comes back. So it's really not worth it. But check this out. Up here, I don't know if you could see that back there. It's literally, that wasn't even leaking before, but now it is. That's the whole side over there. And check this out. It's like, whee. As a matter of fact, I should wash my hands. There's another one here. Check this out. Okay, it's another one. So why am I running the sub pump? It's ridiculous. I'm going to just let this thing run its course. You know, and here's the sub pump that I just got. It works great. It was pumping through this little garden hose like if you had it on a faucet. It was like pouring out the garden hose. But, I mean, how much higher could it go? Eventually, it's just going to go over the top of that. You know, it's ridiculous. And then, listen to Niagara. Listen to the Niagara in here. Niagara.